Now here's a product we've been waiting ages for. Big name speaker manufacturers such as Focal, Bowers & Wilkins and Dali have all entered into the world of headphones. Now joining them is Sonos, with their eagerly anticipated headphones known as the Sonos Ace. First off, if you want to get a look at these new headphones from Sonos and even have a listen for yourself, demo units are available at your local Richer Sound store right now. But for now, don't go anywhere, we're going to take a first look at them. These new Sonos Ace headphones come in a choice of matte black or white finishes, with a seamless design, monochromatic logos and concealed hinges. Everything is smooth to the touch, and it even has an anti-fingerprint coating. If you've got longer hair, those concealed hinges will help to prevent it from getting caught. Something I've not had to worry about too much as of late. They feel really good. The memory foam pads create a snug seal for excellent noise isolation. The ear pads rotate on the stainless steel headband, making it easy to get the perfect fit, with enough pressure to keep the headphones in position without giving you a headache. They're also supplied with both USB-C and 3.5mm cables, making it possible to cable connect to a vast range of musical sources in both digital and analog domains. A lot of us will really appreciate that these headphones actually feature some proper buttons, despite the minimalist design. On the left cup you have power and pairing options, and on the right we have controls for noise cancelling and aware modes. There's also a multifunction slider for changing the volume, skipping tracks and pausing music. If you're not really into using buttons nowadays, all of this can also be done using the Sonos Control app. Just like Sonos speakers, the Ace headphones strike the perfect balance between powerful bass and bright and detailed top end. The balance is spot on, and we think the vocal clarity is exceptional. If you like the feeling of being there in the room with your favourite musicians, these are the ideal headphones. The Ace headphones also have a TV audio swap feature with true cinema calibration. The TV audio swap lets you beam the sound from your Sonos soundbar to the headphones at the touch of a button. It's a great way of carrying on viewing when everyone else has gone to bed. Another very welcome feature is Dolby Atmos compatibility, so you'll get the same surround sound effects that the Arc soundbar generates as well. The Ace headphones are great when you're on the move. ANC does a great job of suppressing outside noise and letting you focus on the music. The ANC tech is great for helping you with phone calls, making speech much easier to hear. Beam-forming microphones that focus on your voice make it much easier for you to be heard on the other end of the phone as well. The Ace headphones have a very impressive battery life. The 30-hour potential playback time is with noise cancellation activated, meaning for most of us we'd only need to charge them once a week or so. And just 3 minutes of charging via the supplied USB-C cable is enough to give you 3 hours of playback. Lastly, another feature that we really appreciate is the Bluetooth multi-point connectivity. This lets you simultaneously connect 2 Bluetooth devices and switch seamlessly between the two. We hope you've enjoyed our intro to Sonos' headphones, and like I mentioned before, they are available for you to have a look and a listen at your local Rich Sound store right now. If you need to find your local store, then click the link. If you like all things AV, why not think about subscribing to the channel? Thanks very much for watching, see you next time.